This is Tom from Streamline. Today we'll be showing you how to use and maintain your Streamvac Internal Dusting Kit. Connect the power lead to a mains power supply and attach the flexible vacuum hose to the front of the Streamvac. Join a required number of carbon fibre pole sections together, with a narrow tapered end pointing in the direction of the airflow. Connect the flexible hose to the narrow end of the assembled pole, and your required attachment to the larger end, using the plastic taper connector. Switch the system on and commence with the task at hand. Make sure to avoid contact with any electrical surfaces. The dust bag can be removed by pulling on the two tabs on either side of the vacuum and lifting with the handle. When in operation, ensure sufficient warning signs are displayed if you are working among members of the public. Keep the system stored in a dry place when not in use.